So Nancy says, is Keto Chow considered protein sparing or just keto? So to do a protein sparing modified fast, you need to really lower the amount of fat that you're having in a day, down to about 30 grams or fewer. And that, well, the 30 grams is about what you need in order to absorb the vitamins, the fat soluble vitamins in the food that you're eating. You can put only 10 grams of fat into Keto Chow, and it would fit into a protein sparing modified fast. Now, Maria Emmerich says that when you're doing protein sparing modified fast, she does not recommend that you have any dairy whatsoever of any kind.
It has to be dairy free.
She's kind of the expert. I've noticed, and Wendy has also noticed, really good results, regardless of whether it has dairy or not. But if you want to stick to what Maria says, dairy-free would probably be the better way to do it, which most of the flavors of Keto Chow do have dairy protein in it. So that's kind of up to you. But for the most part, it's designed for a ketogenic diet, but it also works for a bunch of other things, depending on how much fat you put in it. We know a lot of kids who aren't doing keto that use it to get lots of good protein and vitamins and minerals.